everyone, it's Tammy, and I have a package here from Tuft Woolens. It's T-U-F-T Woolens, and I have heard about them from other podcasters. So I don't know, I have never tried them, but it is a way to wash your woolens. And so let's see, here is her card. And it says, "Thanks so much, Tammy. Love, Martha. Thoughtfully handmade." And you go to tuftwoolens.com to purchase. So the first thing, I'm making sure that there's nothing in here. There's no invoice. So I think I'm going to have to try to remember what I got. No, okay. I got 3 bars, and it might say on here. Oh, it smells so good. This one is Chai Spice. Look how cute this is. It is just absolutely adorable. And it says, Tuft Woolens Sock Soap. To use wool wash for all your woolens, lather soap under cool wet running water while filling sink or washing machine. For extra cleaning, gently rub directly onto the soles of your socks. Soak for 10 or 20 minutes without agitation and rinse. And it's a small batch natural soap made by hand with high quality oils and pure lanolin to pamper your woolens. We care about our earth. Our soap packaging is recyclable or compostable. So tuftwoolens.com. Oh my gosh, this smells amazing. This is the Chai Spice. Oh my gosh. Ah, I can't wait to wash some of my things. And it gave you a little card with how to use them. Very nice. And then this one is Sugar Plum. Look how cute that packaging is. Ooh, that one smells good too. I might have to open it a little bit just to smell it a little better. Now, from what I understand too, these last for a long time. You don't have to use very much soap. Here we go. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. So it's just a clear or a solid bar, no real color. I'm not going to open it all the way, but it's just like a lotion color. I mean, it's not, no artificial dyes or anything. That smells really good. I'm going to open all of them like that because that's gives a really good scent. And this Chai Spice I can totally smell outside of the packaging, but I want to smell it full strength. And they had lots of scents to choose from, and I wasn't sure what to choose. Oh my gosh, this is to die for. Oh my gosh. Okay, maybe not to die for. That was a little dramatic, but this is really good. And it's not too strong, so your clothes aren't going to smell like food or anything. It's very subtle, but it's a very nice scent. And then I got one more, which is called Mossy Woods. And they have descriptions of all of them on their website, so I just kind of went with those because I didn't remember what other people had used. Oh my gosh, this smells fabulous. It smells like you're in the middle of the woods. Oh my gosh, I think this one might be my favorite. Oh my goodness. I know that I will wash my husband's woolens in this. He will love it. So this one's called Mossy Woods. And then the last thing I got was this little, what do they call this? Lanolin Rich Hand and Body Balm. It's really cute. And I got the Sugar Skull scent, I guess. It has little sugar skulls on it, which I don't normally like. They kind of creep me out. I don't know. So I go between, I really think they're cool, and then other times they creep me out. So I don't know. I'm kind of caught in the middle. But it says to use, rub a small amount on hands or other dry areas to soften and soothe. And it looks like a little deodorant container. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I picked this because of the scent. Oh my gosh. I don't remember what it said about it, but it is like all sugar. Like it smells like cotton candy. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Which is what I'd like. And this finger always gets really dry because this is the finger I use to push my wool back on the needle. So I'm just putting it all on that finger. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. You guys need to try Tuft Woolens. I do not think you will be disappointed at all. And this is full. I can see where it starts. I think it's right here. So it's like, it's full. Sorry, it keeps washing out. Super cute, easy, and it clicked on there. So I feel like it would be good in your purse or wherever you want to put it. In your project bag, whatever. So that's what I got from Tuft Woolen, and I am super stoked because these are amazing. So thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Check them out.